To me, this is always one that a lot of people just don't stop to think about for a minute, but it's falling in love with a piece of fabric. And that just kind of leads to this whole story. And I think then all of a sudden you find that you love that piece. You're drawn to it. Maybe you're tactile. Maybe it's this really beautiful eggplant color or okra. And I think that, having that moment and just acknowledging it, I love this. And so then that kind of starts your scheme. I think the other thing too for me is from an interior designer point of view is a lot of times, like if it's more about a space like a kitchen or that has a lot of hard finishes and not soft goods, a lot of times I'll just look at people's shoes. I'll ask them kind of like, what's your favorite pair of shoes that you get compliments on? And if it happens to be navy or this really cool pair of color shoes, then I might suggest, that could be kind of the jumping point for your color. And so maybe your navy shoes all of a sudden become a navy vanity. So, maybe it's just taking a moment, step back into your closet and look at those items that you love to step out in and you get compliments on. And that would be a great jumping off point.